Boss, good evening. Biaboko. Why you sweet? Why nice, pa. Now, happy anniversary, so. And then, wedding 1 year, warrior wedding 1 year. Midisa said, then I'll be after 1 year. What can you share with us?
I'm a mature person now.
Okay. Okay, marriage has made you mature. Wow. Okay. 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 And how difficult or how easy is it to get married to somebody like Zandi Kamel? Somebody who is out there, somebody who is a public person. How easy or how difficult is that?
Maybe our lifestyle. I say it's difficult getting married to Zandi.
Okay.
And not difficult because when you get closer, maybe I'll be pressing and the moon button, maybe I'll console, so getting closer and you will know a lot about her. It's usually difficult for me, especially getting closer and meaning no more penny in your own pen. So that is okay.
Okay. John Janka Sankasa Wabodam. Worry, you know, who said was a son, and I said, your baby, and shouldn't hear on social media.
Well, you know, and yet necessarily only me.
Okay.
So the broader picture, there are family members. I understand the game. I'm a journalist by profession, so therefore whatever she put out there, they were fair idea. But when we said, I'm saying, I'm built in a crew,
okay.
So therefore, one guy's a winning son and manager. Mention me or papa me will be seeing they will also be concerned about negative idea. We will try to explain, but the best thing they say, you will put a stop to your maybe full self-association.
Okay.
Rather than say, then before you go to the extreme level of explaining yourself.
Okay, nice. Worry, why you be especially on social media, most of them there in him. You know, the 2 abonti and we be a 2 abonti and our can be for Zandi way dear. One can eat.
Maybe I'll bet to social media.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. And if we feel say problem, I will just inform her before the lecture. It's a problem in him if we say Hamia. And so social media for being himself and your name to be and do more than social media. One on your seeker. So the more you insult, the more on your seeker.
Okay.
But like I said, the main people that will be affected by whatever she put out there and the family. So if the family is okay, and of which I can say Ghana for in enemy say or worry, there has been a total change. That is basically what you're bargaining for.
Okay. Now maybe son is here. We a fresh boy. My who comments be a month for say one no crying no girls no. So far, maybe I try say omobe bound chamber children says I can't the one semana say on bet you are doing free home. I'm a wadrian almost
No. And okay. As we are talking now, our access to the social media.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Facebook, Instagram only. It's not because it's a Miss Lono, but because if you want to install peace in the house, these are things or say you can say this or say transparent. So one and only say me pemba with social media.
Okay.
One just one name.
Okay.
Me pemba with social media. Me mama me be a
physical.
On social media or pictures, no, I'm not a fan of that.
1 year, be do a heart of sound bravo. What's why matured, but has anything else changed in your life?
Oh, of course, yes. You never be necessary. Like I made mention, I am a mature person now because now it's not about me. Whatever you plan or you plan with somebody, I know you're one thing. And then number 2, so me I mean say a human wise man, so at least I'm improving because it will not maybe we be a first night when you say but this time I won't be in a call. Who 219 so I see to couldn't create if it is wrong she will also tell you. So these are the things that make us say improve. Okay. And we will name it share wedding pictures or videos now you can see a change. So sometimes yet maybe another say we share can enjoy the range and some one say but generally you can see from my body language say there has been an improvement in our area. Okay.
With the last one before I go, when you say a Juma way rumors can for cancer, we a public person, not a public person. No worry and Chibiana rumors by say Mojai or so I depressed them so the court was why frustrated was why depressed on social media man for cancer our Jayeba. Be say, why a beman then I a cost would.
Well, me,
Okay.
And on himself, and say me who and come be some say then I'm why depressed.
Okay.
Like I made mention earlier, social media no me sika. We criticize traffic, no me China way the far way the far. No me sika. So and yet anything be a true say and if you feel never now.
Okay.
Some woman him say no move see your money. No more be can say no way can we want say no way you see beef be
no trendy.
No be a trendy. It's an on the young nyɛ be I'm sorry.
Why no mo didi?
Why no mo didi? Nti omo so omo di echire no no kwere na worry ni bu yesre ni nsem bi esi woni fie ne sa ni oma. You are the people that are paying them.
Okay. Who are fe? Person come attire no asem. Why na address wo shoe? What dey anya buy obi a. Okay. Nice. We don't dey bibi e se ni bia e buy. Who are fe? Happy anniversary. Okay.